This is whenever this is, and this is Mars colonization. So this was a project that I had written in 2018 as a proposal. And I just remembered it, like it came to my mind because I was like, oh, I'm showing you slides of movies. Listen, what about my other slides? I was like, I made a whole bunch of presentations. So if you need help for presentations on Mars colonization or whatever you want to know this information for, or if this is possibly useful for the future if we do plan on colonizing Mars, here's some, I guess, ideas. So, welcome to whatever this is, whenever this is for you. Hi, I'm Lexi, and let me explain this. Oh, nice. And I just press where I have to. Okay. Colonizing Mars is important. According to NASA, by 2030, we will, I'm assuming, colonize Mars. um, and I'm assuming we're going to have to make a constitution or something like that, and also an environmental protection agency for Mars, in order for them to cohabitate. Well, I'm almost positive they're pretty far away, so I don't see our legislation here mattering so much on that planet, but it would be smart to have basic human rules if we were to colonize another planet. That is valid. These are some nice houses to be domes. I know that you would have to be inside at least until there was breathable oxygen outside. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I was bringing that up then, I guess. So it would end up probably looking like something like the top image, and then once it's developed, we would hopefully properly manage the land better than we've managed the Earth, I would assume. Hopefully, we have better technology and such to develop it. But I know that at the beginning, since the air is physically not breathable, we would have to have a previous structure of like buildings and stuff that has breathable air for us, if that makes sense. And we would want to basically create areas that have, like, if we have plants, they produce what we need to breathe. So if we have large areas for that, as you can see, there's greenhouses in this. Oh, you can actually see the cursor here. So there's some greenhouses. So I would assume that that would be very useful. I'm sorry that you can see the scrolling thing at the bottom, but hey, I would assume that'd be very useful. Neil Armstrong was an astronaut. The Martian is a movie that I was just talking about in the movies thing that I just did not too long ago. And we would probably have rovers. We have retired a couple of rovers, so I mean, if we colonize there, I'm sure they would be in a museum somewhere. all the little vlog series of him just singing happy birthday to himself. Sadness. But yeah. We would have to have a constitution, probably, if like a new constitution if we colonized Mars. So yeah. I hope that helped with whatever you were looking up to get to this video. So bye. See you in the next one, whatever it may be.